This video is going to show you how to install a panel track into the brackets. So first of all, we have the different brackets that you get with a panel track depending on how you order it. If you order your panel track inside mount or IB, you're going to get this kind of bracket and you would install it. The instructions you're going to get in the order will show you also, but you would install it inside your window up like that. You have two holes here where the screws go in, and the flatter part will be towards you, more away from the window, and this part, the L part that goes down, will be more closer to the window, so it'll look like that. An OB, or outside mount, ordered panel track, will come with, you can see it's the same clip that's already on here, but it comes on a longer L bracket so that you can screw in to the wall, so it's coming out like that, which is outside mount or OB. So here we have a panel track. This has nothing on it, but the one you receive will have the glides here where your fabric will be attached and everything. So that's what's facing downwards. And the top is where you install the brackets. So again, here is that IB bracket clip that is screwed up inside your window like this. And the proper way to install it is this lip right here. You'll see at the top of the panel track, there's a piece all the way to the end here. This lip will go under and secure inside there. And then this part, you can hear that click, will click into place back here where it's held here. Now, usually this will already be inside the window installed. So you would be installing it exactly how I just showed you while it's already in the window. And then same thing for if you have the OB bracket. Again, it's the same exact clip, so this will be installed in the window. You bring the panel up, you get it secured into there with the lip, like that, and then push it up, clip it into place, and now it's securely installed, and that's it.